Hi, in this video, I'm going to teach how to extend a material to another plant with LSMW recording method. To perform recording, I'm going to take any one material. Okay, I'm taking this material to perform the recording. So now we go to transaction code LSMW. You can create a new project and sub-project and object. I'm using the existing which is available. If you really want to create, I will just show you. You can click like this. Okay, you can click on the project. After that, sub-project and object you can create on your own, or else you can use any existing project, sub-project and object. In other LSMW video also, I explained how to create this project and all. If you really want to create, maybe you can use like this. Main data migration project. And phase 1, phase 2 data migration project. I'm just giving like how you can create it. So sub-project also in the same way. Like master data. In a name can be given master data migration. Later material master extension or material master, whatever like that. We can create different objects and all. Okay, and you can use the existing one also. So I'm going to use the project which I created. Okay, the earlier one which I created, I will use the same thing. Under that, sub-project and object, whatever available, I am going to use the same thing. And once you come to the attributes, here you have to select the option called batch input recording. Go here and you can create a new recording. So the recording you can use like MM01, REC0, whatever, you can give some name thing. Recording for material extension. The transaction code MM01 you have to use. You try to use the mouse where you are in the pages and all. Most of the cases during recording, we have to avoid using the mouse. Mostly use the shift tab or tab to go to that indicator, so that most of the recording related issue can be avoided. Input the material, which one you wanted to extend. Use alt tab and tab mostly, and click enter. And go to the right mark again. Click enter. So here the views you have to select with mouse carefully. Select purchasing view and whatever MRP views you wanted to extend. And general data plant, use page down. Then select the other plant storage view and accounting. Now use tab to go to org levels. Okay. Here you can give the CK P2, the another plant which you wanted to extend, and storage location FG01, whatever the location you wanted to extend it. Click enter. So you can give any other plant, GK3 and 0002. Click enter. So description is getting recorded. So you need to pass that. Purchase group you can give 0002. and automatic POA, any other fields, whichever you wanted to record it, and use the Alt tab and go to the right, click enter. System will take to the next screen. Okay, in MRP type, we can give VB and reorder point 300, MRP controller to 001, X. What are the field you wanted to input? Those fields can be recorded. Required fields can be recorded. So in MRP2 view, you can give the planned delivery time 10 days, GR processing 5 days. What are the fields you wanted to give? Those things can be given. Schedule margin key. So any fields can be given based on the exact business requirement. You can record it. Then click enter. Again go and give. Click enter. Okay. In plant data storage view, if you want to give any serial number profile, any fields, those can be selected, or else we can just click on enter and proceed it. So here valuation class 3000. Okay, the standard price or US, whatever you wanted to give, and price details can be given. Now, finally, click enter and save it. Okay, you can directly save. So this is the way how we can record it. And once the recording is done, system will store all the data, and the respective fields and all will be stored in the system, so that those fields can be captured and you can use for your preparation of the source structure and all. We can use the same thing. You have to click on the default all, so that all the fields will come. So the respective recording is getting available. Click on the save, so that recording will be saved. Okay. You can click on the save to save the recording. Okay, whatever the recording you wanted to use, that recording can be used for the respective process, and you can proceed it. So I'm going to use the recording which one we want, and save this. Come back and source structure. New source structure you can create. Okay, new source structure, or you can use this button, create button, to use a new source structure. Okay, let me do one thing. The existing one, we can, anything is available, you can delete it and create a new source structure. MM01 SS01 source structure for material extension. Okay. Before go for source fields, we click on the object overview and click on table and save all the fields. Okay. Let me open an Excel sheet. Excel sheet MM01 E extension. Okay. Here we can, from MATNR, we can save the fields. After PRKZ, okay. So here you need to select like this and go to data, click on text to columns. So system will split into multiple columns. See here, This is what available. Now for creating the field source structure, you need to take all these field names and this data, this character and length also we need for a source structure. So all characters you have to pass it as a CC and all. All characters we need to pass it as C. Quantity we can give it as number. Decimal. Actually, these are exactly how the data needs to be passed, whether it is a character or decimal or number. Okay, like that we can select during the source structure fields assignment also. Okay, this is for the source field assignment. I'm going to copy this and go back, go to maintain source fields. Already whatever the source structure we created, that is available. Click on here, select that and click here. You can just copy paste. Okay, it was copied till FHORI. Still there are few more fields need to be copied. Okay, all the fields are getting maintained. All the data has come. WR case, plant, and this is storage location. We can maintain and save it. So the source fields are maintained. Here we can see here. Then source structure relations. Just click on edit. Just click on relationship. Okay, already it is relationship is already available. Just save it. It move to the next step. Field mapping. Select this and click on extras and click the cursor here. Go to extras and click on field. You have to first click on why the auto field mapping is not available, because you have to click on the edit. Okay, so once you go to change mode, go to extras. Here you will see the field called auto field mapping. Just click enter. Keep on entering. All the fields will be mapped. What are the fields are recorded and assigned in the source structure, all the fields are getting auto mapped. You can see here everything is having yellow color. Auto field mapping is completed. Then this is the step. Here we have nothing to do here. We just need to come back and update the specify files. When you're going to update the specify files, what we are going to do, we have to first create this data. Okay, I'm going to show you a file. Okay, we need to prepare in this way. So you just what I have done, you just select all these fields and right click and click on transpose. Okay, see here all the fields have come. In the same way I prepared it and fill the certain data to upload it. So you can give any material, which one you wanted to extend and fill the data. Okay, let me go to fill it /o mm 60 and we can select any material which is not extended to the respective intent location. Okay. Okay, we can take any of these materials. Okay, this is the material which is available only for GKP1 but not available for GKP2. We can copy that. You can pass it as a 10 characters. Total, you have to pass it as 18 and it is numeric. So most of the issues will be avoided. All checkboxes, you have to keep it as XX and which plant you wanted to extend, GKP2 and storage location 0002. Okay, you can select which are the storage locations available for the plant. That also you can just maintain if you want to give one of the locations. 3001 L GK P2. You can select any one of the main locations. Okay, maybe 0001 or 0002, whichever the location. You just input 0003. And here the material description should be given same as the material. You should not give a different one, because if you give a different one, system will replace that. So you should be very careful. And automatic indicator and any other information, you can just fill it based on the requirement. Standard price $100, whatever. This is the way you have to fill the data, and you have to save as a text file. Click on save as, and desktop. You have to select text tab delimited, and file you can create as a extension. Okay, if you have any other files, it will be replaced. So the file is created now, and go to LSMW, come here, click on specify files. And now the file wise, there is a little difference is available here. Okay, the last fields, plan delivery is 10 days, GR processing 5, and scheduling margin key for floats, it's an optional, you can remove that. And period indicator M, and this is also optional. Valuation class 3000, price control indicator S, price unit 1 and 100. Okay, these fields can be left like this. And if you check this material again, just fill the data. So if you have any wrong, the read data can find out what exactly the wrong happened. Okay, now GKP1, it is already available, right? 0001. You can see here, period indicator, when it comes to period indicator M, period indicator for shelf life expiration date, that also by default it will come actually, like D, date or month, whatever. So those details can come here. And 3000 for valuation class and price indicator. Now I'm going to save the file again. Text tab delimited. I'm going to replace the earlier file. Okay, now this is what we prepared, and go to /LSMW. You can specify file, because always you should be in a change mode. Okay, so you have to select the file, extension text file, and name you can give material extension for testing, whatever for identification. And here the data for one source structure, this option needs to be selected, and delimiter, you should select the tabulator always. And field names at the start of the file. Yeah, what is the benefit of this one? The field names are available for the start of the file. So the second record onwards, you need to consider for the upload. That's what it will say. File type record end marker, and this one, the code page, you can select like this. Click enter. Save it. Save it. Read data. Display read data. So this is where we found that issue, right? Reorder point 200, standard price 100, price unit 1. Yes, now everything is on place. So hope this time it should work. So that's why without getting error at the last moment when you're running the batch input session, you can just check this during read data. You can find out any kind of mapping issues. See, here also the data is properly maintained. Come back. Click on keep batch input folders. So that is one folder is created. Okay, as it is for the first time, I will show you in a front end. Once you click on the process in foreground, you select this both extended log and expert mode. If you click display errors only, system will just run in the background without any run without any front end display. If there is an error, then only it will throw. If you use the background, system will do in the background, and you can check the error log. Okay, I'm going to show in the process foreground because it is for the first time. You have to click on enter. System will just navigate. Enter. See, no issues. Everything is completed successfully. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same file and I'm going to show you how to do in the display errors only. Let me use the same material so that I don't have to strain much. I'm going to GK P3. I want to extend for another plant. And what is the storage location of GKP3? GKP3. Okay, I'm going to use 0003. Okay, same location, plant is different. Save as text, tab delimited, save it. Okay, now I'm going to save it. Go to LSMW again. Okay. Directly go to specify files. Keep it in change mode. Double click on here. So if your path is same, you can keep it same. Otherwise, you can upload again. The remaining fields, everything is same as what we have shown. Save it. Come back. Display read data. So all the data mapping is correct. Convert. Display convert data. System will show the convert data. Keep batch input folders. Now run batch input. Select your folder. Click on process. I selected the expert mode and expert log and display errors only. See, successfully completed. Now we are going to check the material. execute it. So system extended to the other plants so that you can see the entries for the material in 3 plants, GKP1, P2 and P3, because it is successfully extended. This is how we can use the extension process for other plants by using recording method. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on the subscribe button. You will see at the bottom of the video, and click on subscribe button. And if you click on this bell icon, you can give all. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification immediately, so that you don't have to miss any of my new videos. And see, once you watch the video, if you really like the video and the content is helpful for your learning, don't forget to click on the like button. That will encourage to the YouTuber, not only myself, any videos. You may watch some ABAP videos, you may watch some S4HANA videos, any kind of videos in the YouTube. You just hit a like. It takes 1 second of your time, but it helps a lot to the person. And you can use this share button. You can use the share button to share in Telegram or Facebook or any kind of social networks. And if you see this description, in the description, you can check my different playlists. Okay, I mentioned all the purchasing, inventory management, discussion, WM videos. So you can use this playlist to check my videos, and you can update your skills. Thanks for your time. All the best for your future endeavors.